Hello everyone, welcome to the Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology. Let's take a visual tour of the campus.
So, as per our vision, we are committed to ethics and excellence. So, to enrich students, seminar rooms are designed to facilitate interaction and face-to-face discussion among the students and the instructor. It has good internet connectivity, projector to impart the best quality of education to the students. Our seminar room has the capacity of 180 to 200 students. We have 2 seminar rooms on each floor. To impart the best communication skills, soft skills, writing skills, along with the German and English language, SDIT has its own language lab which is well equipped with the latest systems. Let me tell you some unique features of our language lab. It helps in developing communication skills of the students. It facilitates teachers with real-time monitoring. It helps in grooming overall personality of the student. The library station is located on the ground floor of the main building of Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology. In order to help in all educational and instructional programs of the college, it develops its collection by acquiring different documents like textbooks, magazines, newspapers, electronic library, which are related to the various courses offered by Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology. So, to develop competent professionals with high ethics and moral values, Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology has boardroom, which is used to conduct placement drives, mock sessions, and students' formal meetings. So, let me introduce with Mr. Paramsit Singh Ahuja. He is a training and placement coordinator, and he'll let you know about the placement activities.
As far as training and placement part is concerned, in our college, Satyug Darshan, we not only conduct drives at the end, so it includes personality development sessions, classes on aptitude test, which in future helps you out to crack the interviews. So we are there to help you out, and a fully fledged training and placement cell is there to support you.
SDIT offers fully furnished auditorium mode classrooms as per the AICTE norms. It also offers the comfort sitting to the students, which makes easier to grab knowledge. Classrooms are also equipped with portable projectors and they all are under CCTV surveillance. Now, welcome to the computer lab in SDIET. Here you can code and build new educational applications. It will be very easy for all of you to write books and create notes by using document writing and editing applications. You can build your own website and blogs and can also practice with equation in Microsoft Excel.
I am going to introduce the central workshop of Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology. We have different workshops like machine shop, where we have different machines. State of art machines are there, like lathe machine is there, and here milling machine is there, drilling machine are there, and grinding machine is there. So every type of machine which is used in our manufacturing industry is available in our central workshop. If you want to make any project, every type of machine is available for you here. Apart from that, there are different shops are there, like welding shop is there, where we have MIG welding, TIG welding, that is the modern welding machines are used in different industries. We have fitting shop, sheet metal shop, carpentry shop, and foundry shop. So different shops are there. Every type of project, different projects are made by our students.
The hostels always have dorm rooms with multiple beds, shared areas, shared bathrooms, etc. So Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology also has the hostel facilities, hostel with basic facilities like water room with water purifiers, laundry, Wi-Fi facility, well furnished rooms, along with the swimming pool facility. Those who are living in the hostel areas in Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology, they also do have the access to the mess. We have a very big mess in the Satyug Darshan Institute.
We also have swimming pool and squash court in our campus where you can exercise while having fun.
Exercise improves health and well-being, while the safe environment encourages independence. Satyug Darshan Institute of Engineering and Technology have modern playgrounds with a great promising and large open area. It promotes physical activities
and provides outdoor facilities to the students. We also have cricket playground, hockey playground, football playground, basketball court, volleyball court and skating rink.
आप सभी का सतयुग दर्शन संगीत कला केंद्र में स्वागत है। जैसा कि सतयुग दर्शन संगीत कला केंद्र यहाँ पर विभिन्न प्रकार की गतिविधियाँ चलाता है। इसमें गायन, वादन एवं नृत्य की शिक्षा दी जाती है। तो गायन में हमारे पास शास्त्रीय संगीत, उपशास्त्रीय संगीत, ऐसे ही वादन में हमारे पास विभिन्न प्रकार के वाद्य यंत्र हैं, जैसे कीबोर्ड है, तबला है, गिटार है, पियानो है और भी बहुत सारे वाद्य यंत्र हैं जिसका आप लाभ उठा सकते हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त नृत्य में हमारे यहाँ शास्त्रीय नृत्य और उपशास्त्रीय नृत्य सिखाए जाते हैं। नृत्य में कथक नृत्य है, भरतनाट्यम है, ओडिसी है और विभिन्न प्रकार के नृत्य भी सिखाए जाते हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त जुम्बा एरोबिक्स की क्लासेस भी चलती हैं। यह वातानुकूलित भवन है जिसमें आपको नृत्य की शिक्षा दी जाती है। यहाँ पर शास्त्रीय नृत्य, उपशास्त्रीय नृत्य भी सिखाए जाते हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त जब भी आपका कोई फंक्शन होता है उस समय आप यहाँ आकर अपना रियाज़ कर सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। उसके लिए बहुत अच्छी सुविधाएं हैं यहाँ पर। और आपको जानकर हर्ष होगा कि आपको यदि गायन का शौक़ है तो हमारे पास अपना आपका सतयुग दर्शन का रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो भी है। वहाँ आकर आप अपनी आवाज़ में कोई भी गीत रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं। अभी हम सतयुग दर्शन वसुंधरा में स्थित सभा भवन में हैं। तो यह सभा भवन वातानुकूलित है। इसके साथ ही यहाँ पर लाइट्स और साउंड की विशेष व्यवस्थाएं हैं। इसके अतिरिक्त जितने भी कार्यक्रम होते हैं, चाहे वो स्कूल का है, कला केंद्र का है या ट्रस्ट का है, कॉलेज का है, वे सभी कार्यक्रम इसी मंच पर ही होते हैं। और इस मंच पर आप सभी पहुँच सकते हैं, अभ्यास करें। भिन्न भिन्न माध्यमों से आप इस मंच का उपयोग कर सकते हैं।
So students, now I am standing along with the 7 gates of virtues on which the entire ideology of SDIT is based. These 7 gates are the symbol of humanity, namely Santosh, Dhairya, Sachai, Dharm, Sam, Nishkam or Paropkar. The purpose of these sequential gates is to help a person introspect the values of virtues needed to become a real human being. Hey! Do you know, in this calm, serene and pollution-free environment, we have white dome-shaped structure which is named as Dhyan Kaksh, and it is the world's first school of equanimity and even-sightedness. As we all know that meditation is the only spiritual tool to liberate the mind from ignorance, illusion and evil instincts. So from this school of equanimity and even-sightedness, the science of inner dimensions will be taught through the process of meditation.